Come on, Morgan. It's still out here. Oh, it's coming for you. Oh. Oh no. Oh, it got away. There it is. Oh, yes. Oh. Oh, sneaky kitty. Sneaky kitty. Get it. Morgan, I can't see you over there. Come out here. It's getting away. It's getting away. Rub your face on the chair. That's important. Did you forget about it already? Oh, there it is. Get it. I need to put my laundry away. We had to put our laundry away, Morgan. After playtime. Are you done, Morgan? You went further away this time. You gonna come back and get it? Are you bored? Oh, you're not bored yet. Get it, Morgan. Jump for it like you did earlier. Come on, get it. Oh, she didn't like that. You tired now, baby? You gonna come play more? She's over there behind my giant scale mate. She's back there. She's scratching her ear. Oh, she's really scratching her ear. Now she's cleaning her toes. Can't tell if she's interested anymore. You come get it, or are you done?